Hi, I'm Justin Lang with 1 Hour Heating and Air, and I'm going to be showing you today just how dirty a mini split can get and how to clean it, why we clean it, and just, showing you guys the buildup that can accumulate over actually a very short amount of time. If you want to look over here, we have a lot of bacterial growth growing on this mini split right now. And if you look up into the mini split, you can see in the blower that there's buildup on the blower already. This mini split has only been installed for 7 to 8 months, so it can happen very quickly. And the other thing that you can check too, every mini split has a filter, and these need to be changed about every 6 months. We're at the 7 or 8 month mark. Depending on how clean your home is, you can end up with a filter looking like this. So one of the best ways to do and clean a filter like this is to use just water or use compressed air. There are some blower wheels that we actually have to take completely out in order to clean. This one might be right at that line, but we're gonna try to clean it in place first and see how good we can do before we actually decide to dismantle the whole bottom of this unit to get the blower wheel out. And we're gonna surround the mini split with this bag to prevent any kind of water and debris from getting all over the house, floor, couch, what have you. So put it over the top. It does have a drawstring. Anything from getting on the wall behind it or below it. And then everything is caught in this bucket on the ground. That's why you don't want your blower wheel to look like this. And we got options to keep it from looking like this. Now the stuff that I just removed off of that blower wheel and out of that, you are breathing. Not only are you breathing that, but it's going to compromise the life of your system. What happens is as that builds up on that blower motor, it will actually cause your fan motor that's right inside this compartment to start squealing over time because of the extra added weight. And I see a lot of these motors go out due to bad blower wheels that have a bunch of crud on them. So one of the things that we do is we make sure and maintain these mini splits either through service or through LEDs. These LEDs help prevent the growth and buildup of all of the stuff that can both compromise your health and compromise the efficiency of your equipment. It can get bad enough where you actually lose airflow out of this compartment. I've seen it once where the buildup was so bad there was no longer airflow coming out, and we had to take that blower wheel out and clean it and take the unit apart to do so. To avoid these kind of maintenance issues, proper yearly service, which we offer service contracts for that. Also, UV protection on your equipment will help that stuff from growing, and then just maintaining a clean environment. I'm Justin with 1 Hour Heating and Air, and if you're concerned about your health and your comfort, call us so that you can get set up on one of our maintenance plans for our mini splits today.